Stand up, them, let me see it. No peaches, I frack your door fit your body. Your favorite sandbag. Turn around, let me see it. No, girl, it don't look good. How where you are go?
Who you talk to? Live here. Where you
Are you me attack?
Yo,
Peaches.
dash out. No bother
Lock
with
off
it.
our lucky ears. Come not even why you hear me a dark. But you me a chat to dirty
Yo,
boy.
I can't deal with the
Yeah, because you
argument
near out of the
with
plate this morning and you left the
night.
dirty plate on the table. Who you expect for the carry out dirty plates? You hear some of waitress?
Oh,
You tip me? You hear some of walk and I collect dirty plates?
forget. Just relax, here, babes.
So what you do?
No, man, me I go take up the dirty plate, babes, and me eat out it and after
Oh.
you understand, you're not helper, you know.
And make sure say you
wash it up too. And me I wash up the whole of the plate, them nice thing, cause from morning you work, and no say you're
alright.
supposed to tired.
And the next thing, I'm glad remember, the next thing I want to talk to you about is the garbage where you left in the house.
Lord
Me say I come in
Jesus.
the house and fly around, come to me like me and them mama. And when them ready in my box, me left right and center like me in a boxing ring. Why you left the garbage in the house? And me, you want to carry out garbage at a girl like me?
No. Yo, me I go...
What you do? That face, what
spray
you
the
do?
fly them, and me I go carry out the rubbish. I wait till you don't eat them, just carry out
So you
everything.
just do everything when I tell you for that, you're not arguing.
But me I argue for babes, you're me
You're
wrong.
not trace me, nothing.
Yo, me not trace you, babes, me love you like cook food.
That face,
What?
trace me no?
No one argument, you
No,
understand? Me
because
just a
I
do
come
so.
here, well hype and steam up and me understand I come in here for trace and you're not.
Yo, me no need for argue with your babes. If you're right, you're just right. And so the thing set, you know.
Alright, babes.
Ropes, you know what I mean?
Alright, well, since you're not trace me, just dash for that stone here for me because I look like me not need it again.